Hey y'all, it's Quinaya. So today what I'm gonna be doing is a hair review, and I'll be doing a hair review on Cloud9 Swiss Lace What Lace, and it is an illusion wig hair, which is in Solona #1. So this is how the hair looks outside the box. It is real, you know, real soft looking, basically already like plucked or whatever, so it's like an illusion wig. So this is how the hair looks. Lace piece right here, and I also have this right here. I have the wig cap. I already got the color in brown. I didn't want to get like a light tone cap because I would have to do all the extra. You got to put the cap on first. I have braids under my hair, under this scarf. You can correct that. So yeah, I'm about to get ready to put this on my head, and I will just continue forward with the video. I'm not doing no voiceovers or anything, so it's basically like a head-on hair review. So y'all just see me doing it in the video. So yeah. Okay y'all, so that is it for today's video. Yeah, I still got this tie up, but I'm gonna show y'all in a minute without it. I got a flat iron this part, but I don't know, I might just gel it down. I don't know. Hair is real nice, you know. I gotta move back some because this lens is real close, so it's cute. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for this vlog that's coming next, and see y'all.